Good evening, sir. My name is Christian Valverdilla from BSITTJ. So proceed na po tayo dito sa my assessment. So I'm gonna explain this five question here. So I'm gonna present my presentation that I create. Number one, what is the template inheritance in Blade and how can it be used in a real world application? So template inheritance is a powerful feature within Blade. The templating engine used in the Laravel PHP framework. This functionality facilitates the creation of a base template that can be extended by others' views, allowing developers to maintain a consistent layout across their application while promoting code reuse. And number two, how can blade section and yields be utilized to manage content in different views? The manage of content in various views is a critical aspect of modern web development, particularly when utilizing frameworks such as Blade. Blade sections and yields offer a structured approach to organizing and displaying content dynamically across different layout. So, number three, how do blade control structures make your code more readable compared to a raw PHP? So, in contemporary web development, the choice of templating engines plays a crucial role in enhancing code readability and maintainability. One such engine is Blade, which is primarily associated with the Laravel PHP framework. So, Blade control structures such as conditionals and loops provide developers with a more structured as visually appealing way to manage logic within templates compared to raw PHP syntax. So, number four, what is the purpose of the double curly braces syntax in Blade? And why is it important of security? So, the Blade templating engine, which is an integral part of the Laravel frameworks, employs a unique syntax that is crucial for both functionality and security in web application development. So, one of the most notable features of a Blade is its use of double curly braces, denoted as here, double curly braces. So this syntax serves the primary purpose of outputting data to a view while simultaneously simultaneously ensuring that any content rendered is properly escaped. So the importance of this feature cannot be overstated, especially in an era where web applications are increasingly susceptible to various forms of cyber attacks, particularly cross-site scraping. So, proceed na po tayo sa number five. So, how can blades, components, and slots be used to create reusable UI elements? So, the advent of component-based architecture has transformed the landscape of user interface or UI development. So, particularly with frameworks like Blade, Blade's unique approach to UI design hinges on its use of components and slots, which facilitate the creation of reusable UI elements. So, yun lang po sir. Thank you po. Yun lang po yung sa my explanation ko po.